Good morning, dear student. This is Monalisha Das, and we will be discussing upon more topic today, that is your demonstration of manual cleaning equipment of the housekeeping department. As you know, this particular topic is belong to your foundation course in housekeeping 1 lab, and the course code for the same is BSCH1009. In order to understand this manual cleaning equipment, and after understanding this, we will have few outcomes, and those outcomes are to understand the various type of cleaning tools, interpreting various manual cleaning equipment, and to understand the use of manual cleaning equipment. Here, the first topic outcome is that as we just studied, to understand the various type of cleaning tools. Herein, as you know, in the housekeeping department, there are two types of cleaning equipment. One is manual cleaning equipment and the second one is mechanical cleaning equipment. So here in this class, we will be studying about the manual cleaning equipment. So let's see what is there next for us. So let's first understand the objective of this particular topic. First, to analyze the manual cleaning tools, or that can be called as equipment for surface cleaning in the housekeeping department. Second would be to understand the maintenance and the care of those cleaning equipments. Here we will be studying and discussing about the manual cleaning equipment only. So let's first understand through video and see what are all the different kind of manual cleaning equipments are available in the hotel housekeeping department. So let's first watch a beautiful video. Now, understanding the manual cleaning equipment, we must know what is manual cleaning equipment. So the manual cleaning equipments can include all types of equipments that clean or aid in the learning process by directly using the hand, operation and energy of an employee. It means those equipments which are to be used by hand only, wherein there is also usage of the energy being wasted by whom? Energy being wasted by the employee who is handling the equipment, and the operation, of course, right? So these are equipments known as manual cleaning equipments that you can see in the picture. Various kind of manual cleaning equipments are there. And next, see what is there in the manual cleaning equipment. So type of brushes, hard brushes, soft brushes, scrubbing brushes. So these three brushes pictures are there which are quietly pretty visible, and I believe that all of you would be able to see all these three kind of brushes. Now, understanding what is the brushes and what are all the uses of the brushes. Unlike your mopping, these brushes have your three parts mainly. So brushes, this may be designed to remove dry or wet or ingrained dust and dirt from the hard or soft surfaces. Three main types of brushes are used in the cleaning surface. They are as follows. Hard brush. Hard brushes have bristles that are fairly stiff and well spread out cleaning equipments. They are most suitable for the removal of heavy soil and litters from the carpets and for cleaning of rough surface. Soft brush. Soft brushes may have bristles that are fairly flexible and sit close together. These are used for removal of loose soil and litter on hard, smooth surfaces. Scrubbing brushes. Scrubbing brushes have short, coarse bristle designed for use on surface that have become stained and heavily ingrained with the dirt. These brushes should only be used to remove stubborn, heavy soiling small areas that are difficult for scrubbing machines to access. Now we understood what are all the different kind of brushes in their uses. Let's see what is there in the next slide under your manual cleaning equipment. Now, this is also another type of brush, which is your toilet brush, which is used for cleaning the WC. Next is your bottle brush. These are used for the overflow vents in a wash basin and tubs. flea brush. These are used for cleaning chimney. Feather brushes. These are used for light dusting. So as these three kind of brushes do have a different function, so they are used in the different for the different areas according to the requirement. How to care and clean those brushes? These brushes should be generally tapped on the hard surfaces to loosen the dirt, debris, and after the cleaning process. Frequent washing with the water is always avoidable. Brushes should be washed in warm and soapy water. Now, talking about the manual cleaning equipment, we have mop sweeper, dust mop. What is mop sweeper and dust mop? Made of cotton yarn, hood and fitted onto a metal or plastic stalk with long, short handle. Used instead of sweeping because it reduces the amount of dust rising and then resetting. Used in conjunction with the vacuum cleaner or its own before the hard floor maintenance. Can be removed from the mop itself as well for the cleaning or for the sterilizing. So you people now understood various kind of cleaning equipments, and these mop sweepers are rather all these manual equipments are very much in use in all the hotels across the hospitality sector. Now, talking about the mop, what is wet mop, what is damp mop? Wet mop is those mops are used in conjunction with a bucket for the removal of a dirt adhering to a surface. The mop heads can be made of cotton, sponge or any other fiber capable of absorbing moisture as well. Dual mop. These mops consist of strands of twisted cotton fixed to a circular metal plate which in turn is fixed to a stalk. Kentucky mop. This mop consisting of a cotton strand fixed to a length of cotton fabric which is in turn inserted into a flat metal stalk, and they are available in weight ranging from 330 kg to 670 gram. The strands may be stitched together or unstitched. The former are less likely to be tangled and can be laundered more easily and more likely to last longer than the unstitched mop. So these are all about the information about the mops. So let's see what is there in the next. Hand caddies, also called as the cleaner boxes. These were originally made of wood or metal but nowadays usually made of the plastic. They consist of a box with a handle and fitted tray. They are used by room attendant for carrying cleaning supplies from room to room for guest room cleaning. After each shift, they must be cleaned and topped up with the replacement supplies for use in the next shift. Dustpan. These are used in conjunction with the broom or brush for gathering the dust. They may be made of plastic or metal. Plastic one is being the usual choice these days. Dustpans with long handles that eliminate stopping are ideal. In order that the dustpans are very effective, the edge in contact with the floor must be thin, sharp and flat. They should always be emptied after use and occasionally washed. They should never be stored resting on their flat edge, as it will wear out and warp so that the pan becomes inefficient. Stored dustpan. Suspended from a hook or lying horizontally and sideways. So now we understood what are all the uses of the hand caddies and dustbin and how the proper care to be taken in order to bring the longevity in these two equipments. So let's see what is there in next. We have few practice questions here. So the question may be like, what do you understand by manual cleaning equipment? So you may please answer, the manual cleaning equipments are those equipments that can be used by hand, right? What is dustpan? What is the use of hand carry? What is the use of soft brush? What is mop? What do you understand by dry mop and wet mop? So all these 6 possible questions that can be practiced as well, and these questions are very much answerable because we have already been through with the manual cleaning equipment, wherein we came across like the different kind of brushes, different kind of mop, cleaning tool, the hand carry, the maid's cart trolley, and so on. So I think this is a quite interesting topic and you people understood it very well, right? So thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you and take care.